The thing is, when I came here, I didn't have any idea on what it is, even though the concept is, even though Dr. Madana Kumar told don't attribute to any religion, but the first thought that came to me was saying something more related to Christianity and what is university going to tell about it. So, but when I came in, I found that these values or whatever being focused, the communication university values and on the direction of servant leadership, it's very meaningful and we are getting more and more clear about it. Even though it's not like every 100% we are clear now, but we have to work our way through it. But it's getting more clearer, and we feel that the UST values and all should have been part of the onboarding session. It's very meaningful, and I think everyone should have a chance to hear it.
Yes,
Should know
indeed.
it firsthand from UST. That's what my
Yes.
opinion is.
Definitely, I would recommend it. I feel the heart message of servant leadership is to inculcate the habit of what this concept is all about, serving your nearby ones. In fact, this is not something just to work at your workplace. It is something you have to inbuilt it in your DNA, and with anybody you meet, this is how you're supposed to lead your life. It should be your lifestyle.